Hey there, YouTube fam. Welcome back to our channel where we spill the tea on how to make easy money online. Today I've got something super exciting for you. How you can earn money by just watching ads. Yes, you heard that right. Imagine getting paid to do something you probably already do every day. Intrigued? Stick around because I'm going to show you how you can make $2.49 every single minute watching Google ads from anywhere in the world. And hold on, because at the end of this video, I've got a bonus trick that could have you raking in $700 a day in pure passive income. Let's dive in. Step number one is to head over to this amazing website where you get paid to watch ads from brands you love. Now, I'm going to keep the name of this website a little secret for a moment, but trust me, it's worth the wait. Here's how it works. You watch brand ads on this website, which are actually Google ads, and you get paid for it. Plus, if you refer someone to the website, you get a sweet $5 for every sign-up. Once you reach the minimum payout amount, you can transfer your earnings to your PayPal account or choose from other withdrawal options. Hundreds of brands like the ones you see here have partnered with this site to offer you fresh Google ads every day. Want to know more? Just click on the About Us section at the bottom of their site, but if you're ready to start making money, just click on Sign Up Now. Enter your full name, email address, password, and date of birth. Don't forget to remember your server number. Mine is server 1. When you log in again, you'll need it. Tick the box, click on sign up, and voila, you're in. Look at that, $10 just for signing up. Now let's make some more money. On your dashboard, you'll see 5 ads to watch. Start with the first ad for 54 cents. Click on complete, and a new tab opens. Close it, click complete again, and wait for the 35-second countdown while scrolling up and down the ad page. But here's the catch. You can only watch 5 ads every 24 hours. Don't worry, I've got a hack for you to keep making $2.49 per minute. Create multiple accounts using tempmail.org for free email addresses. Each account can earn you $2.49 in less than a minute, so with 10 accounts, that's $24.90 in just a few minutes. Easy peasy, right? Log out, sign up again with a new email from tempmail.org, rinse and repeat. Remember to save your temp emails and passwords in a file so you can easily access them later. Now, for the bonus trick to make $700 a day, go to Facebook and search for Make Money Online groups. Join public groups and create posts saying, I earned $100 from this site by just watching ads. It's totally free. Comment how below and I'll send you the details. Add a payment proof image from cashvib.com to make your post more credible. Share your referral link, and for every person who signs up, you get $5. Get just 140 signups a day, and you'll be making $700 daily in passive income. To withdraw, go to your dashboard, click Withdrawal, and choose from PayPal, Skrill, Payoneer, Western Union, or Google Play gift cards. The minimum withdrawal is $70, but with these methods, you'll hit that in no time. So what are you waiting for? Start watching ads on cashvib.com, make some money. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment your country below so I can make more videos for you. Until next time, keep hustling and stay awesome.